Class 3. This video is for lesson number 5, Animal Toppers of GK. So, open page number 22. Children, in this chapter, there are some pictures given of some animals. So, we have to name them. Okay, we will read the sentence which is given below the picture and then we will name the animal. We can take the help from the clue box, which is a blue box given in this chapter. So let's start this. So number 1, as you can see the picture also, now read the sentence. The fastest land animal. It is cheetah. Children, these questions can be come in the form of true, false or fill-ups or in the form of questions also. So learn the answer in all three forms. Second one is the biggest carnivore, that is polar bear. Third one is the largest shark, whale shark. Fourth is the largest water bird, mute swan. Next is the fastest bird. It is peregrine falcon. Next, sixth one, heaviest living insect. It is African Goliath beetle. You can see the picture. It is the heaviest living insect. Seventh, the tallest animal. I guess you already know the answer of this. It's giraffe. Eighth, the largest lizard, Komodo dragon. You can see the picture how big it is. Okay, now come to the very important part, that is your green box. You have to learn this also. Polar bear are all left-handers. You can see the picture of polar bear on your screen. These are polar bears, and usually you already know that we all do the work with our right hand, but polar bears are left-handers. Alright? And the size is twice the size of man. Twice means double. Okay? So, polar bear are all left-hander and the size is twice the size of man. So now we are done with this chapter. Learn this chapter. Okay? Thank you. Next chapter in our GK syllabus is lesson number 17, game birds. So class 3, open this page. Page number 23. Now first, what are game birds? A bird shot for sport or food is called game bird. Children, man kills some birds for delicious or tasty meat. These kind of birds are known as game birds. Alright, the birds that are killed for their meat are known as game birds. So now come to the exercise. Now there are some pictures which are given of some of the birds. So we have to write down the names and you have to read the instruction first. So children, in exam question will come in the form of question answers or fill-ups. So read the instructions very carefully. So the instruction is, it is the best swimmer among all birds. Name is duck. If you will not understand any spelling, you can take an help from the clue box. Second, it is often mistaken as turkey. Turkey and this bird almost looks same, so often mistaken as a turkey, but actually it is guinea fowl, or we can call it guinea fowl. Okay, next, third one. It is considered to be the most elegant looking bird. It looks very smart. Elegant looking bird. It is goose. Fourth, now it shares its name with the name of a country. Now one country name is same as of this bird. Name is Turkey. Fifth, it nests on the ground and prefers open grassy area. Partridge. Sixth, it has a feather pattern that looks like the scales of the fish. Now you can see the picture, the feathers look like the scale of the fish. Name of this bird is quail. Next, it is the most decorated bird in the world. Most decorated means it is very beautiful, decorated one. Name of this bird is pheasant. Eighth one. I hope that after looking at the picture, you already get an idea which bird this is. It is the most common type of poultry in the world. Chicken. Okay. Now come to your very important box, that is your green box. Did you know? Now children, there is one bird found in Mauritius called dodo. Okay, and it's so big, 1 meter in height and about 10 to 18 kg in weight. And it became an extinct in 17th century. Now it's 21st century is going on, everybody knows, but in 17th century it became an extinct due to its excessive hunting. Okay, so it is known as dodo. Now children, one value based knowledge is also there after did you know box. That is, children, birds and animals are an important part of our nature. They are very important for our environment, for our nature. So we should show our mercy towards them. Mercy means our grace, our pity, concern towards them, leniency towards them. Okay, why? Because they are an important part of our nature. Just for fun, just for sport, just for food, we should not kill them. Okay, now we are done with this chapter also. So learn it and complete your work. Thank you.